Okay, welcome everyone to the Cedarbrook Lodge, the Cedarbrook Lodge in Seattle, Washington. I have just arrived, so if I sound a bit out of breath, that's why. They put me in the dogwood building, which, okay, here's the way it's laid out. Each of the components of the hotel is in a different building. So the dogwood is one of the buildings. And then they have their restaurant and spa in an adjacent building nearby. But yeah, I'm gonna try out the spa, but I heard they're pretty booked full for the weekend. But we will see what we can do. I'm really eager to try it out. This is the bathroom. And this is their junior suite. A little cramped, but I really can't complain too much. It does have a very cozy feel. I don't really like woodsy vibes, but in this case, they make it work. They really do. Shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. I'm going to have to take a bubble bath either tomorrow night or Sunday night. I'm going to have to take a bubble bath. That's just required now. Little fridge. Monogram bathrobe. Almost every hotel I've stayed at so far has had a fridge built in. I like that. It's a very nice touch. I can usually tell the quality of a hotel, generally speaking, if they have a fridge or not. So I don't like the chair. The ottoman is nice, but the chair, sort of a tweed cloth type, the same type that your grandmother had in her house. Very cozy bed though. Nice king size bed. There's a TV. Not that I'm going to be spending much time watching TV, but it's good to have. A little sitting alcove with a mirror. Maintenance closet. That's pretty much it. There's some additional features of the Cedarbrook Lodge that I will show you guys throughout the weekend. But that's it for the room tour. This was the junior suite at Cedarbrook Lodge with king size bed. We're about 5 minutes from SeaTac International Airport. So yeah, that's it. Good night, guys. See you in the air. Remember to take care of yourselves and each other, and like, comment, and subscribe for more.